imply, imply, imply. Are you implying that I am a liar? Impress, impress, impress. I was impressed by his good manners. Improve, improve, improve. She wants to improve her English skills. Include, include, include. The price includes breakfast. Incorporate, incorporate, incorporate. We need to incorporate new ideas into the project. Indicate, indicate, indicate. The signs indicate the right direction. Infer, infer, infer. What can you infer from the text? Inform, inform, inform. Please inform me of any changes. Insist, insist, insist. She insists on coming with us. Install, install, install. They will install the new software tomorrow. Intend, intend, intend. I intend to finish my work today. Introduce, introduce, introduce. Let me introduce you to my friend. Invest, invest, invest. She decided to invest in real estate. Investigate, investigate, investigate. The police will investigate the crime. Involve, involve, involve. This project involves a lot of research. Iron, iron, iron. I need to iron my shirt before the meeting. Jog, jog, jog. She likes to jog in the park every morning. Juggle, juggle, juggle. He can juggle 3 balls at once. Join, join, join. They decided to join the 2 teams together. Jump, jump, jump. The cat can jump very high. judge, judge, judge. Don't judge a book by its cover.